Hello everyone, so bit of an update video to let you know how progress is going. For those who are want to be interested, I'm going to be now putting the photo of the X-ray. This is now my new embedded friend. This is the Oreo, so this is an artificial implant that I've had to have put in replace of my failed disc. The disc for me was very much failed at the point of C7 to T1, which is where your neck meets your spine, and was in such a bad state that the surgeon did refer to it as de-shelling a prawn. Everything was really bad with it, so it came out relatively easily. So with that now gone, the artificial disc is in place, for which I now am blessed with more aches and pains with my neck itself from, I would say, more muscular pain. And I think a lot of that is born from me now being in a more relaxed state and my shoulders dropping. I'll put a picture of how I've been kind of hunched over in some instances where the pain's got that much. I just can't do anything apart from being in almost a Quasimodo type state. Now for me, I've got to now behave myself, and I will say behave because I'm a typical person who wants to try and do something when you're being told not to. So no stretching, no lifting anything heavy, etc, etc. My wife will tell me off for trying to do anything that she thinks that I'm not supposed to do, which is fine. So for now, the road to recovery will take several weeks. To the point where hopefully I should be able to get back into being normal. I think it's getting used to having an implant in here now and thinking I can just get on with life, as opposed to thinking, oh, when will I next get my next bout of pain, etc, etc. There's a huge plethora of things that I want to do, so whether that's the kit car, 3D printing, the Raspberry Pis, coding, you name it. You know, I've got a lot of interests. Metal melting, hopefully I won't blow myself up again, that'll be a bit of a waste. But yeah, if anyone wants to have any comments about this particular procedure, by all means, I'm quite happy to have any form of dialogue in the comments if you wish, and we can take it from there. So yeah, long road, just got to take it steady, neck moving backwards and forwards. Again, this is what, day 3 after the operation. So I had my operation on Thursday the 14th of September, and day 3, in and moving around, but sore and tired. I just want to sleep. Sleep is good. But anyway, that's it for now. Speak to you all again later. See ya, bye.